Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry, and in today's video I'm going to be making for you my morning delicious drink, although you could drink it any time of the day. But yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you my little recipe here, and it is really the drink tastes really pure and delightful with like this kind of kick with a zing to it, you know. This is a drink that you can enjoy throughout any part of the day. But before I do that, I would like to ask you, how is your day going today? I'm hoping you're having a great day. And so let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to be using the apple, as you already seen. I chopped up celery and cucumbers, and I'm also chopping up lemon and cilantro as well. So I'm going to leave the exact recipe in the description box. But this has a powerful pack. I mean, it just kind of like when you drink it, it just like gives you that wake up that you need, you know. But I found it to be the most powerful and the most delicious when it is cold. When it is cold, although I'm sure you can drink it lukewarm, or you can drink it hot, or just room temperature. But I like it best cold, chilled, and refrigerated. And also, this juicer that I'm using, it is a cold press juicer, and the link to that as well will be in the description box. But I love it. I think this is like just my third or fourth time juicing. It's brand new. It works so well. It's easy to take apart, easy to clean, you know. So you could just kind of watch the juice do its magic. So I really love how that comes out. It's just so green, and all the fruits fruits and vegetables was green, so it makes for a nice green drink. That's how much it made, and you'll see the recipe in the description box of how much that made. Now we're going to see how much it fills up. So these right here are 18-ounce tall bottles, and I got these at Walmart for $1. Okay, and I forgot my funnel, so I spilled this, so I had to come back, change everything up, and so that's what you were seeing, why the difference. But um, I really like juicing. And the funnel, I think I got somewhere for like, I think I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay, so if I had not spilled some, we would have got 3 full bottles of 18 ounces, which is a total of that would have been come out to around about 5.5 8-ounce bottles. So it's like 5.5 glasses of water or glasses of drink. But remember, I spilled a little bit earlier. Don't you just love how these bottles look with the green juice in them? It's so beautiful. I can't wait for you to make yours and enjoy them as well. And I just stored them in the refrigerator, and the next morning it was on. I had a great morning drink. Oh yeah, and this drink was just how I've expressed it. A really pick me upper, just a lot of zing and zest, very pure. I love it. And I hope you'll love it too. I just want to thank you so much for watching. Peace and blessings. You have a blessed day. Thank you.